How to get a Shopify free trial. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free trial on Shopify. So let's get started. What you need to do is simply head over and click on the link given in the description below. And if you sign up using the link given in the description below, you will be rewarded a free trial, and also you will only be charged $1 for next 3 months of you using Shopify. So just simply click on the link given in the description below. So you'll be able to see something like this in front of you. It's not really necessary you'll be able to see the same videos because obviously they update it regularly. So you gotta head over, click on start free trial over here at the top right. And once you do so, you will be redirected to another interface where you get to sign up. And then you'll be able to see something like this. So you get to select your country over here. If your country is not been selected, you can simply click on it and select it manually. And then you get to start your free trial. You can sign up with email, with Google, with Apple, with Facebook. If you have an account, click on login. And you can click on sign up with Google and then or click on sign up with email and type down your email address and password and then simply click on create Shopify account. So once you have signed up into your account, you would be asked a couple of questions. Now, if you wish to skip customized setup, you got to click on this, but you will have to face some complications because obviously Shopify wouldn't recommend the things that you want to. So I suggest you to answer these questions. Where would you like to sell? For example, if you're having an online store, you can select that, click on next. And then which best describes you? I'm not selling yet. I'm already selling online or in person. Click on next. What size is your business? Then you can select whichever medium your business is. And then do you currently sell on other platforms? No, I'm not using any platform. If you're not, or if you're using TikTok, you can simply, or if you're using any of the website, you can simply select that. And then click on next. What do you plan to sell? Products I buy or make myself. And then you gotta select the plan that is best for you. So we have 3 plans over here. One is basic for $39, but if you have clicked on the link given in the description below, you'll be getting it for $1 for the first 3 months. And then we have the grow one that is for $105, and then we have advanced for $399. The basic one has the basic stuff such as card rates, custom reports, analytics, and POS Lite. The grow one has card rates from 2.7% and then custom reports and analytics. POS Lite, it means it has basically everything that the basic plan includes. Additionally, it has 5 additional staff accounts. And the advanced one has everything that the grow one includes. And additionally, it has more options for global selling. So once you have decided the plan, you can click on skip I'll decide later if you don't want to, select the plan right now. And then you'll be redirected to your Shopify account and your Shopify account has been created. Now here you can see it says 3 days left in your trial. Means after that you will be charged. Your trial ends on April 30. Select a plan to get your first 3 months for $1 per month. So you can just click on select a plan. So we have 4 plans over here right now: basic, grow, advanced, plus. Since you are using the link I have provided for signing up, so you'll be getting the first month completely free, and then you'll be charged $1 for the next 3 months if you're using basic, grow, or advanced, any of these plans. And you can simply click on select basic, select grow, select advanced, or if you wish to use plus, like if you have a very complex business with many warehouses and many many people involved in that, you can click the plus plan. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.